happy baby. Design your child's destiny.
We just looked at our friends' kids and thought,
Shit. I hope that doesn't happen to us.
Happy baby, she's in your hands. Before she's born, pick her genetic code.
Design your child's destiny.
In a world of choices, and maybes build your dream babies. Just pick and see, better than you or me. Tall or smart, bold or shy, a touch of blue or hazel eyes.
that didn't hurt a bit, did it?
A little.
Happy baby, she's in your hands. Custom smiles, pick your genetic clan. Happy
It's like, giving your kid a nice haircut, making him look handsome. Only it's before he's born.
baby, baby, it's your call. Brightest future.
It's here.
Let him have it all.
That didn't hurt a bit, did it?
Athletic? Done. Ivy League IQ? Easy. A jawline that stops crowds? Of course. Our labels make it fun to swipe and splice.
Brains like Einstein, charm like a king. You pick the song, her life will sing. Fast like lightning, strong like steel. Happiness pre-designed, it's the real deal.
It's what good parents do. We curate their lives for happiness. We guide their choices, connections, careers. Why should before they're born be any different?
Do you want a dancer or a doctor? Light or dark, make them all stare.
Oh, definitely not that one.
Want her perfect skin and hair so fair.
Even though my husband is just average, I thought, why shouldn't my kids be as beautiful as me?
Happy baby, she's in your hands. Before she's born, pick her genetic plan.
Well, between Granddad's genetics and his,
Things weren't looking too good.
As parents, we want only the best for our children.
With Happy Baby, your child isn't just born, they're launched. Make them ready to dominate school, the boardroom, the red carpet, or the metaverse.
Why roll the dice on genetics when you can curate a superstar?
Your forensic
Because why not?
to make it better than all the rest.
pop star charisma was our dominant. And now our little Ava's already got 3 million followers.
Baby's your clay, so fix her genes and mold her right.
Because why not?
You just want the best, so take our genetic test.
With dozens of fun options to choose from, it's hard to narrow it down, but we picked NBA dunker, chess grandmaster, and unbreakable. I just want my kids to have what I didn't have growing up, friends.
No more glasses, just perfect sight. No more shorty, just perfect.
Athletic?
height.
Done.
Choose his IQ.
Ivy League IQ?
And what she'll do, choose her glow better than your genes can do.
I chose acrobat agility, CEO ambition, and glow in the dark eyes.
It's you.
Because why not?
Happy baby's brand new story. It's your love. Let everyone know.
Forget the haters whining about ethics. This is about love. Why settle for nature's random algorithm when AI can design a kid destined for greatness in the embryo?
Celebrate genetic glory and make it yours.
Never let nature run its course when you can create that course for your kids. It's just what good parents do.
It's you happy.
The CRISPR genetic splicing
Baby's
thingy was like
brand new
making a meal. Just selecting the ingredients and having your
It's
HW4000 do the rest.
Let everyone know.